Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for a construction company. First, set up your company file by choosing the correct industry template. Then, customize your chart of accounts to include specific construction categories like job materials and labor. Ensure job costing features are enabled in your preferences, which is crucial for tracking project expenses. Finally, create customer jobs for each project you undertake, linking all related transactions. Next, let's look at estimates and invoicing. Begin by creating detailed estimates for each construction job, outlining all costs and services. Once an estimate is approved, easily convert it into an invoice. QuickBooks allows you to track progress billing, ensuring you invoice clients accurately as work progresses. Regularly generate customer statements to keep clients informed about their outstanding balances and payment due dates. Effective cost tracking is vital for construction. Make sure to assign all expenses, from materials to subcontractor fees, directly to their specific jobs. Use purchase orders for all material acquisitions and subcontractor services to maintain clear records. Reconcile your bank and credit card accounts regularly to ensure accuracy. This practice helps you monitor project profitability and identify any cost overruns promptly. Finally, let's cover payroll and essential reporting. Process your payroll within QuickBooks, allocating employee wages and related costs to the correct jobs. Regularly generate job profitability reports to see how each project is performing financially. Review your balance sheet and profit and loss statements to understand your company's overall financial health. Accurate records will also greatly simplify your tax preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.